All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Hinderer Knives Eklipse for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and maybe don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of stuff that I'm bringing to you guys. Look at that classic Hinderer Knives box. You see like this, it's pretty simple, a couple of stickers going on, nothing too fancy. You're gonna find a sticker, you're gonna find the card which is gonna state who assembled and tuned your knife, a set of extra washers, because this guy is a tri-way pivot, so you can basically choose how to run this guy. And then of course you can find the Eklipse, which is a pretty cool knife, guys, I have to say. Overall, in length, this guy is gonna be 8.25 inches, which is in centimeters going to be 21 centimeters, or I would say like 9 centimeters and something blade length, but the cutting edge actually is going to be 8.5 centimeters, corresponding to 3.5 inches, and the handle is going to be 5 inches, or kind of like 12 centimeters. So it's a very interesting knife, guys. This is the Spearpoint swedged M390 steel option, blacked out. Also the back is black. You've got some silver screws going on. Standoffs are blacked out as well, and you've got some pretty flashy G10 in a bright orange color, which I really like. And this is a titanium frame lock, guys. It is a very nice knife. It's gonna be in the $420, something like in that ballpark, so it's not a cheap one, but it's a very good one. It's still an overbuilt knife. Look at the side, look at the thickness of these slabs. It is very good, very well done. There's a couple things I love about this one. One is the ergos, and it's just like fantastic in the hand, in my hand. This divot here, these two finger grooves, this chamfering going on is just makes it, and it's a really cool one. Also, I like the jimping over here, but I like the Spearpoint, the swedged Spearpoint blade shape. Not super fan of this area over here. We're gonna talk a little bit more about in the full length review. And sound is also interesting. It's nothing like really like special or like distinctive, but it's nice, it's there. And let's just quickly check the weight, because there's no internal skeletonization going on, and this guy is gonna weigh in at 5.2 ounces, so not super light. So I mean, looks good, it sounds pretty interesting, great ergos. It's a pretty cool knife, guys. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.